Hello, I'm Desmond from Search IT College. I built my own ISS and satellite tracking system. And for the next few weeks, I will be showing you one feature every single day. Today, I'm giving you a quick tour of the entire launcher so you know what is coming. Let us get started. First, let me open PowerShell. Okay, now I'm launching the app from here. This is the ISS Tracker launcher. It is one click menu. I created that runs Python scripts to track satellites in real time. Before we get into the features, here's a quick reminder. The ISS means International Space Station. This is what it looks like on the outside. And this is what the inside looks like, with real astronauts living and working in microgravity. Now, let us get back to the tracker. We are going to see where the ISS is right now, which country it is crossing, which continent, and how far it has traveled. If you want, you can even send me your location and I will show you when the ISS will pass over your area so you can watch it move across the sky. Now, let us look at the menu. Option 1 is Get Current ISS Position. So, let us click on Option 1 and check where the ISS is right now. And also see which astronauts are currently on board. Thanks for watching. Every day I will show you one feature from this launcher. Make sure to follow for more space tech content, and you can join our school, that is Search IT College.